In a charming little place called Tidy Town, there lived three best friends, Emma, Jack, and Lily. They loved to explore, play, and create, but there was one thing they weren't so good at: taking care of their belongings. One day, while playing in the park, Emma's favorite book, Jack's shiny soccer ball, and Lily's art kit went missing. They looked everywhere but couldn't find them. Feeling upset, they decided to visit Granny Hazel, the wisest person in Tidy Town. "Granny Hazel," said Emma, "we lost our things and now we don't know what to do." Granny Hazel smiled kindly. "My dears, your belongings are like treasures. If you don't take care of them, they may wander away. But don't worry, I'll tell you a secret about becoming treasure keepers." "Treasure keepers?" asked Jack, intrigued. "Yes," Granny Hazel said, "treasure keepers respect their belongings, keep them safe, and always put them back where they belong. If you promise to follow these steps, you might just find your treasures again." Excited, Emma, Jack, and Lily followed Granny Hazel's advice. They created a treasure map with special spots for their favorite things: a shelf for books, a basket for toys, and a drawer for art supplies. They started organizing everything they owned. The next morning, a magical surprise awaited them. Emma found her book on the shelf, Jack's soccer ball was neatly placed in the basket, and Lily's art kit was in the drawer. "Wow," said Lily, "it's like our things knew where to go." Granny Hazel chuckled as she walked by. That's the magic of being a treasure keeper. When you value your belongings, they'll always be there for you. From that day on, the three friends kept their things organized and safe. They even taught other kids in Tidy Town how to become treasure keepers, turning the whole town into a magical, tidy place. Moral of the story: taking care of your belongings shows you value them and helps you keep your life organized, making everything easier and more fun.